reasons why visitors will choose Attica for business and leisure. So, Attica is a multi-dimensional collection of destinations for all year-round short break holidays. You see the location of a region in the map above. Direct flights from Athens to other cities in Greece, keeping on in our trip that we are going to visit. Also, a strategic location connecting various European and international cities with the international airport of Athens. Easy access to city center from the airport or from the port of Piraeus. We enjoy mild climate, and just now the season is starting to resemble a little bit of fall, but that will be. Unique cultural exhibitions with modern art all around the region, cultural venues like the new Cultural Foundation and the Opera House, the New Acropolis Museum with halls for hosting congresses and incentives. Known Greece, the land of hospitality. The Athenian Riviera is how locals refer to the vast coastline in the southern part of Attica. And you can choose a rooftop restaurant to enjoy your meals. And of course, in our region, shopping is not available only in big shopping malls, but also in museums, shops in museums, Greek designers, and small boutiques around the region of various thematics. And activities for the whole family are available in festivals and established Notre Foundation with free access for locals and visitors alike. Then fun parks all around the region. And of course our region has also 19 Blue Flag Awards for 2019. You can see the areas located in the map. And you can enjoy swimming in beautiful beaches all around the islands of the Saronic Gulf.